Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by unlocking your Vivo and positioning yourself on the home screen you intend to modify. Long press an empty area until the home options appear. This reveals wallpapers, widgets, and settings. Tap Widgets to open the widget drawer and scroll slowly to preview options. You're doing this first because widgets attach to a specific page and layout. Make sure the target page is visible. Once done, identify the widget size you want and keep an eye. Now drag your chosen widget from the drawer onto the home page and position it where you want it to live. Hold your finger while dragging, then lift to drop. The widget snaps to the grid. If it's resizable, press and hold the placed widget until resize handles appear, then drag the edges to expand or shrink. You can also move surrounding icons to accommodate size changes. If space is tight, adjust grid settings or create a folder to free up placement room. Finish by customizing the widget's content. Tap it to open options or the host app settings, then adjust refresh interval, account, or display choices. Once satisfied, press the home button to lock the layout. To remove, long press the widget and drag it to remove or delete at the top. If a widget fails to appear or refresh, restart the phone, check app permissions, and clear the app cache. These steps typically fix sync or display problems. Try them before reinstalling the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.